This is a nice and Hale Magnum crow call. Comes in a simple blister pack. Some instructions on the back. It says made in the USA. Comes with a camouflage pattern on it. Made with hard plastic mouthpiece. The groove there for the cord, and it includes a cord to hang around your neck as well. Keep it away from all that muck and junk that you keep in your pockets. Quite handy. I shall have a read of the instructions, see what it says how to produce the crow calls, and then I shall practice and then take it out into the field, film the results so you can hear what it sounds like and see if it does actually work and pull in some crows closer to me. But for now I'm just going to read the instructions, see what it needs to be done and have some practice, and then take it out on another day.